Pheromones are chemical substances that animals use to communicate their physical condition or behavior to other individuals. Pheromones are usually emitted at very low concentrations, but other individuals can detect and interpret these chemical substances, causing various reactions. Pheromones play an important role in animal survival and reproduction. For example, female insects emit pheromones to attract males. Male insects can detect this pheromone and find and mate with females. Additionally, animals can use pheromones to mark their territory, avoid competition with other individuals, or warn of threats. Pheromones have a variety of effects on animal behavior and physiology. For example, when female mice detect male pheromones, they can stimulate ovulation, and when male mice detect female pheromones, they can increase aggression. In addition, pheromones are known to affect animal growth and development, as well as the immune system. Pheromones are also known to affect humans. For example, female pheromones are known to increase male sexual desire, and male pheromones are known to regulate women's menstrual cycles. In addition, pheromones are being studied for their various health benefits, such as stress reduction, pain relief, and anti-inflammatory effects. Pheromones are an important chemical substance that plays a crucial role in animal survival and reproduction. Recently, research on the various physiological effects of pheromones has been actively conducted, and it is expected that various treatment methods or product developments using pheromones will be carried out in the future. There are many different types of pheromones. They can be broadly divided into sexual pheromones, social pheromones, and food pheromones. Sexual pheromones are used to induce sexual exchange with other individuals. For example, female insects emit sexual pheromones to attract males. Social pheromones are used to regulate social interactions with other individuals. For example, animals can use social pheromones to mark their territory, avoid competition with other individuals, or warn of threats. Food pheromones are used to find food or promote eating. For example, insects can detect food pheromones released by plants to find food. Pheromones are generated in various ways in animal bodies. For example, insects generate pheromones in their pheromone glands, which are organs inside their bodies. Mammals generate pheromones in various places such as skin, secretions, urine, and feces. Pheromones are transmitted to other individuals through air, water, contact, etc. Receptors that detect pheromones are typically located in the nose, tongue, and skin. Pheromones are chemical substances used by animals to communicate with each other. Animals release pheromones into the air or secrete them on their bodies to send signals to other animals. Pheromones serve various purposes, such as mating, territory marking, threat signaling, and defense. Due to their small molecular weight and easy evaporation, pheromones disperse easily in the air. This allows animals to detect pheromones even from a distance. Pheromones are detected by the animal's olfactory organs. Pheromones play a crucial role in the survival and reproduction of animals. Through pheromones, animals can find mating partners, mark territories, and avoid dangers. There is a wide variety of pheromones, with different types and purposes depending on the species. For example, dogs use mating pheromones, territory marking pheromones, and threat pheromones. Insects use mating pheromones and danger warning pheromones. Pheromones can also influence human behavior. For instance, mating pheromones can increase human sexual desire. Additionally, pheromones can alter human mood and behaviors. Pheromones find applications in various fields. In agriculture, they are used to increase crop yields. In animal husbandry, pheromones are employed to enhance reproductive rates. In medicine, pheromones are used for disease treatment. Research on pheromones is ongoing, with the expectation that a better understanding of their mechanisms will lead to improved comprehension of animal behavior, enhanced animal conservation efforts, and improvements in human life. Key features of pheromones include small molecular weight and easy evaporation, easy dispersion in the air, detected by the animal's olfactory organs. Crucial role in animal survival and reproduction. Different types and purposes based on the animal species. Potential influence on human behavior. Applications in various fields. Pheromones are chemical substances secreted by animals that play a role in regulating the behavior or physiological changes of other individuals. Pheromones are often detected through scent, but they can also be sensed through taste or touch. Pheromones play a crucial role in the social behavior, reproduction, defense, prey hunting, and movement of animals. For example, ants use pheromones to locate food, communicate with other ants, and defend their nests. Bees use pheromones to find the location of flowers, communicate with other bees, and build their nests. Pheromones can also influence humans. For instance, female pheromones can stimulate male sexual desire. Additionally, pheromones can be used in the treatment of mental disorders such as depression, anxiety, and stress. Pheromones are classified into the following types. Sex pheromones, pheromones that regulate the sexual behavior of other individuals. For example, ant pheromones play a role in luring other ants to mating locations. Social pheromones, pheromones that regulate an individual's social behavior. For instance, ant pheromones may serve to warn other ants of danger or indicate locations where food can be found. Defense pheromones, pheromones used for self-protection against predators. For example, frog pheromones may have a threatening effect on predators or play a role in the secretion of toxins. Food pheromones, pheromones used in locating food. For instance, bee pheromones can inform other bees about the location of flowers. Trail pheromones, pheromones that regulate movement. For example, butterfly pheromones may attract other butterflies to a specific path of movement. These categories highlight the diverse roles that pheromones play in the behavior and communication of various species. Pheromones play a crucial role in the survival and reproduction of animals. Both hormones and pheromones are chemical substances that regulate the physiological functions of organisms. However, there are several differences between the two. Secretion site. Hormones are secreted by endocrine glands internally, while pheromones are secreted externally by exocrine glands. Endocrine glands release substances into the bloodstream, whereas exocrine glands release substances outside the body. Target of action. Hormones primarily act within the organism's own body, whereas pheromones often affect other individuals. In other words, hormones can be considered as affecting oneself, while pheromones influence other individuals. Mode of action. Hormones are typically transmitted through the bloodstream, whereas pheromones are mainly transmitted through air, water, or contact. Types. Hormones exhibit a wide variety, including growth hormones, sex hormones, adrenal hormones, thyroid hormones, and more. Pheromones, on the other hand, have more limited types, such as sex pheromones, social pheromones, defense pheromones, food pheromones, and movement pheromones. Examples. Examples of hormones include growth hormone, sex hormones, adrenal hormones, and thyroid hormones. Growth hormone stimulates the growth and development of the body. Sex hormones regulate sexual development and reproduction. Adrenal hormones control the response to stress, and thyroid hormones regulate metabolism. Examples of pheromones include sex pheromones, social pheromones, defense pheromones, food pheromones, and movement pheromones. Sex pheromones regulate the sexual behavior of other individuals. Social pheromones control an individual's social behavior. Defense pheromones are used for protection against predators. Food pheromones aid in finding food, and movement pheromones regulate movement. In conclusion, hormones and pheromones, both being chemical substances, play roles in regulating the physiological functions of organisms. However, they differ in terms of secretion location, target of action, mode of action, types, and examples.